The DeLonghi Magnifica Plus fully automatic espresso machine is designed for coffee enthusiasts who want café-quality beverages with the convenience of home preparation. It offers an impressive range of 18 one-touch recipes that can be fully customized, allowing users to enjoy everything from rich espressos and classic cappuccinos to smooth lattes and refreshing iced coffees with minimal effort. At the core of its performance is a built-in conical burr grinder featuring 13 adjustable grind settings, ensuring beans are freshly ground to deliver optimal aroma, depth, and flavor in every cup. Milk-based drinks are a standout feature thanks to the Latte Cream Hot System, which consistently produces dense silky foam, enhancing both taste and texture for milk lovers. The machine is equipped with a 3.5-inch TFT full-touch display that provides an intuitive, modern interface, making navigation and drink selection simple and enjoyable. For individual user profiles allow multiple users to save personal preferences, ensuring consistent results tailored to each taste. Practicality is also a key strength, with a self-cleaning system and dishwasher-safe components that significantly reduce maintenance time. Despite its advanced features, the Magnifica Plus maintains a compact footprint suitable for most kitchens. Combining versatility, ease of use, customization, and consistently high-quality results, it stands out as a premium all-in-one espresso solution for anyone seeking authentic barista-style coffee at home without complexity or compromise.